guys, welcome back to my channel Qasim Raza official. So today I'm here at Istanbul International Airport. I have many requests to explore the Istanbul, the biggest airport, Istanbul International Airport. So today I have little time, so I'm gonna explore and I will show you some of the part of the Istanbul Airport. So behind me, this is a passport control area. So when you get from that particular point, so you enter the main lobby where your all the zones are, gates are situated. Let me show you. There's the two gates like A, B, C and D, E, F. I mean there's two directions. So today I have left side direction A, B, C gate. So I'm gonna go and that way. So today we will explore the ABC gates area. DEF area is on your right side, so I'm not going to there because my gate is on A gate. So this is the notice board for your flights updates, and you can see and you check your flights if your gate is not allotted, so you have to wait a little for checking your gate. So I got my gate A2, so now I'm going. So this is the entrance, like it's how it's beautifully constructed. This is a marvelous infrastructure of the Turkish government. This is so beautiful. When we visit here, this is actually a masterpiece of the construction. So clean, so beautiful, and so mesmerizing. This is a LV store. This is called Louis Vuitton outlet over here, and this is alongside this is Dior and Fendi, and this is a big store from over here. So this is the area of the posh clothes. So these are the stall and different outlets from the government, and these are the Wi-Fi, free Wi-Fi machines you can access from your passport. When you can see that you can free access from the internet for 1 hour. So this is a duty-free shop, and these are the little food corner of cafes. If you have some time to snack, so you can eat there. So this is, you can see A, B and C, D. So A, B and C, D are straight way we have to go. This is a little restroom over here, along with a lot of cafes and the bronze, and also there's the washroom as well and the masjid as well. See, this is a courtier outlet over here on the left, along with the Omega. Yes, Omega, and also there's a toilet over here for the and the masjid as well, the mosque. This is a duty-free shops over here, and the upper side is the lounges, and different lounges are giving their services according to their memberships. Yeah. So okay, cool. So on the right side there is a food court on the above floor. Okay, you can see the McDonald's over here and the ABC side, and the Hardee's as well over here on the right side. Okay, this is a IGA lounge and other lounges. I have made a content of IGA lounge, which is very informative, and you can access free IGA lounge access from here. So of course you will see, I will put the link in the comment there as well. So now we are approaching to the lift which goes down to our gates. This is the ground floor, and we're going to a little down from here. So here is our boss shop over here. If you like to purchase something, you can get it. There are also some burger shop over there left side, coffee shops and exchanges. So we are going to down from here. Okay, so guys, this is how it looks like from the upper view from here. These are the rest area from here. Also a TV lounge and some internet charging ports over there. So my gate is on the left side on A1, A2. So I go there. And this is the right side where you can go to your for example, you go to your other gates. This is a very long queue, so luckily my gate is nearby, so I am going to get my A2 gate from here. So guys, this is a short overview from the Istanbul airport. So I will explore more from my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Take care. Bye bye.